Hey y'all, it's me, Miss B, and today we are multiplying rational expressions. In the last lesson, we learned how to simplify rational expressions, which is an important skill when we're multiplying. And so we need to keep in mind those skills as we're moving forward. Okay, so when we multiply two fractions, we are multiplying straight across. So a over b times c over d is equal to ac over bd. Okay, here's our first example. I'm actually going to simplify, I'm going to go ahead and simplify first. So this 3 and this 9, 3 divided by 9 is 3. I'm left with a 1 here, and then I can multiply straight across. So 1 times -2, and then 5 times 3 gives me -2 over 15. Okay, here are our steps. First, we're going to factor all numerators and denominators completely. Then we're going to cancel out all common factors. And then we are going to multiply numerators and denominators. I don't know what goes in this blank here, but we are going to multiply numerators and denominators together. We'll just say simplify. Okay, so first example here, I want to simplify before I multiply. So here I've got a 3 in the numerator and a 3 in the denominator to cancel out. This x and this x can cancel. This y and this y, so this becomes a 2. And then this becomes a 2, and this goes away. So it's a lot of simplifying there. So I'm going to kind of highlight what we kept. We kept an x, we kept a y squared, we kept a 2, and that's it. So as we multiply straight across, we have x times 2y squared, which is 2xy squared. Okay, simplifying first. Saves us time in the long run. And that's because we are dealing with smaller numbers. Okay, let's look at this next one here. So I want to cancel our common factors. So 5 and 25, I'm left with 5 in the denominator. This x cancels with this x. These y's can't cancel because they're both in the denominator, but this 9 and this 3 can cancel. So I just divided by 9 by 3 to get that. So we'll multiply straight across. In the numerator I have x, and then in the denominator I have 3y times 5y. So I get x over 15y squared. Alright, this next one here are my factors. I'm going to go ahead and put this over 1. So then in the numerator, this x minus 5 cancels with this x minus 5 because that one's in the numerator and the other's in the denominator. Nothing else cancels, and so we're left with 7 over x plus 5. All right, we'll save that last example for class. All right, and that's all for today, folks.